Hello guys, welcome to Solving Solutions, your number one channel where you get solutions to all your solving problems. It's nice having you in class again today. How have you been? On today's video, we are going to show you some commands or some tools on AutoCAD. First off, thanks for coming to class. If you are coming to the channel for the first time, encourage us by subscribing to the channel. And if you are a returning viewer, thanks for always checking up on us. And again, please remember that Solving Solution is organizing a GIS training, right? So when you check the description section of this video, you will see the link for registration. So encourage us and support us by also registering for that training. So thank you very much. Now we are going to look at the extend, the trim, and this copy selection commands or tools on AutoCAD. Now, these are different objects on our workspace. We have text, we have shapes, lines, whatever the case is. And we want to see how to apply those tools on these objects. So the first thing now is that let's look at this particular object. Let's say you want to move this object, you want to extend it to this other object that is there. How do you do it? Now, these are the two tools. With this, this is extend and then this is trim, right? So when you want to extend, you just select the tool. Then you now select the object you want to extend to, which is this, right? You now hit the enter, which can actually be your space bar. Then you now select the object you want to extend. Do you get that? Okay, let's escape and do it again. Undo. You come to your extend tool, which is this, right? You select the tool. Then this is your destination object, right? So you select your destination object. You click enter. Then you now select the object you want to extend. So that's how you use the extend tool. Very simple, very short, right? Good. Now let's look at the trim. Let's say we have some object here, two objects. They have an intersection, maybe an overshoot, and you want to clean off, let's say, trim off this side or trim off this side or trim off this side, depending on what you want to trim off. So where is the tool again? I think this is the tool, right? Sorry, this is the tool, trim, right? So you click the tool. Now, let's say you want to trim off this side, right? So you now select this other part of the intersection. You click on enter and then you do what? You select the side you want to cut off. Very simple, very short, right? Good. Now let's do it again. Let's undo it. So this time around, we want to cut off this side. That means this will be the first object we are going to select. And then this will be the second object we are going to select, right? Now where is that trim tool again? This is the trim, right? Good. So you select the tool. Okay, so let's say this is the base object. And then we want to cut off this side. So we just click enter and then we do what? We select this other side. You now see that it has been what? It has been trimmed off or it has been cut off. So that's how very simple, that's how you can use it in a simple term. Now let's look at the copy selection. Let's say you have this object, you want to copy it. You can just, let's say you have the object, you right click and then you copy, right? Good. You now come to, still on your workspace, you come to another space and then you just say you want to paste and you've pasted it. Now, peradventure, you want to copy one object and you want to paste it multiple times. How do you do it? So that's where the copy selection tool comes in. So you select the object you want to copy, then you use CO, that's the shortcut. You click on enter, then you now select the object, which is this one. You now see that you can paste it multiple times without copying again. You see the difference between the first copy and this other copy. Are we together? So that's just how you use the trim, the extend, and the copy selection. They are very simple. Now the application can be different, like where you want to use them can be different, no doubt. The applications can be different, no doubt. However, when you want to use them to whatever, maybe specific demand or maybe specific task or whatever the case is, you just know that, when you want to extend, you first of all pick the tool and then you go to the object you are extending to, you click on enter, then you now select or maybe pick the object you want to extend, right? Same thing when you want to trim, there will be an intersection between the two objects. So you click the base object and then you now click on the other, enter first, then you now click on the other part of the object you want to trim off. So the applications are diverse, or applications are dependent on what you have at hand. But this is how you can use those tools or you can use those commands on AutoCAD. And again, the next part, or let's say the last one, was the copy selection. You can just copy once and paste. Or what if you want to copy once and paste multiple times? Then you need that copy selection tool, and that's what we have shown to you. So yeah, thanks for coming to class. We hope we've provided solution to this particular solving problem. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, support us by subscribing to the channel, and please check out the GIS training that is hosted by Solving Solutions, and we are going to see you on our next video. Until then, keep being good at what you're doing and have a nice time. Bye.